Myself, Jawahar Lal, lecturer in electrical engineering. Today I will discuss about the AC locomotive, how AC locomotive works, how the current is collected by the AC locomotive and given to the traction motors. Please subscribe my channel for next videos. Now, here you see that this is the AC block diagram of AC locomotive. The components are written here. Overhead contact wire. This is where the 25 kV 50 Hz supply is flowing. Now the second is the pantograph. This is used for the collection of current from the overhead equipment, and again the supply is come to the circuit breaker. It is a circuit breaker. Now again then the supply is come to the on-load type changer. On-load type changers are used to low the voltage from high voltage, to change the voltage from high voltage to low voltage. Again, and the supply go to the rectifier. Rectifier is used for the to rectify the AC into pulsating DC, and the pulsation in DC is then removed by the smoothing chuck here given, and then the current is fed to the DC traction motor, and DC traction motor works. DC actually the DC traction motor is the DC series motor, because the starting torque of DC series motor is very high. So I have given here the next that I have written here the working and function of each part of AC locomotive. You have seen there. Basically, the traction motors works for this system is DC series motor. The function of, basically we have to know about the this circuit breaker. Circuit breakers is used for trip the or break the supply when there is any fault in the AC locomotive or electrical system. So there is a very importance of the circuit breaker. Now that this on-load type changer is basically used for controlling the speed of the traction motor by varying the voltage. So these are the main basic parts of the AC locomotives and working of the AC locomotives. If my video is good, then please subscribe my video on this topic. Then I will give you the videos for the next topic. Thank you.